Good morning, guys. Yeah, I just had my lunch, like a breakfast and lunch. I came from the dentist, and yeah, they checked this. Yeah, they just check. This is still the temporary, and maybe tomorrow or the day after they will send me a message when to put the permanent one. Yeah, I had my lunch there. It's delicious. It's paella. We are at the moment in SM Mega Mall. Yeah, the dentist is also here. If you see that bridge, it means that we are in a Guadalupe. Yeah, and from here, from Guadalupe, we are going to Bonifacio Global City. Yeah, BGC, mate. If you see the Jollibee, I think it is somewhere here. I can see one jeepney that is going there. Yeah, just near to the choking in Mercury Drug. Yeah, in Guadalupe Mall. Coming from Guadalupe, I get down here in Metro Market. Yeah, the name of this place is Market. And like what I've said, there's no way that you don't get sweat. I feel the sweat inside mine. But you know, I don't have any other clothes to wear. I'm going to buy one t-shirt inside. Yeah, outside of the market is this Fiesta Market. And they have an outdoor food court here. We're not going there because we're not going to eat. We're still full. Do you remember me? Ahead of that is the the market, and then this is like a bus jeepney terminal. Yeah, and I'm actually looking for the way going to the SM Aura. I'm trying to Google it, but it's actually just here in front of this place, right? Yeah, you can see from here the SM supermarket, so it means that, oh yeah, this is the SM Aura. It is a little bit raining. Yeah, when I was inside of the market, I was trying to Google map the SM Aura, and it says that it's 11 minutes to get there. Then I get out and I found this place, and this is the SM Aura. Oh, it looks beautiful. If I have an apartment, I would like the window to be like this. You know, seeing the view like that, not the sea. Yeah, I prefer a city. Yeah, if you compare the Philippines to any other Southeast Asian country, the Philippines has more shopping mall. It's everywhere within Metro Manila. Yeah, I've been to Bangkok, Kuala Lumpur, Ho Chi Minh City, Phnom Penh, and at the moment we are here in the rooftop of the SM Aura. Yeah, not the top, but there is another one on that side. Yeah, we will go there later, but let's just explore this place first. Notice this place is surrounded by this big apartment. I am sure most of these are empty. I think this part of SM is open until late night because they have a separate entrance to the shopping mall. I like the walls. Nice looking. We have a chapel here. Most of the SM shopping mall, they have a chapel. Nice. And look around here. Beautiful view. It's like a McKinley, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know if it's a golf club or what. I don't know. It's a nice place. I'm trying to figure out where I came from. Yeah, I came from Show Boulevard, but I don't know where it is. Yeah, I'll be having this one, right? The Starbucks here in the Philippines is much better than Starbucks in Dubai, in Sydney, or in Australia. Yeah, I don't know, maybe it's the people or customer service. I don't know, man, but it feels that way. Yeah, that dog is Canaan. Security, mate. We will be walking around here and we will be using the Canon M50.